Omade na daro man hoye pa.
Ede nyame ase.
So hoye.
Oh yeah.
Come on, metina.
Na hoye de.
Me ya.
AC ya na.
Come on, metina si anka but
kafra. Is we are mobonti. I am in person me jojo bi. Oh yeah mobo. But the past bear 1 week also attedo.
Na no ready je ma mobo.
So we say. And on yare so.
Na then I am going money pass.
Oh there. Anybody on yare there now so ti.
Oh and then no kwa misro. There are people.
But your other diet so.
Me say there are people whose health are very important. Ebia o no ben kunu fufu na enti. You don't take time off those things. Some of us are very paramount to us. Ebia na eno na me.
Me dem didi basa.
Ebia o ribanku na so dey happen
fufu banku. On them di banku da. You graduates on shede ni me banku nyame lai.
Mirrors and so nam
Oh bro. Oh.
What me ana?
Oh bro.
No the wolves bobo so you.
Wolves team.
But I say ya.
Wolves.
Say ya last week go say ya. And they say United is sha. We bet me Chelsea near the same point. But your horrible see at the end of my show and ask my ball.
Now when I say game nje.
Money Wolves.
Wolves team. Over 100 say team.
Wow, say ya uncle.
Uncheck the table now. Oh.
Check mommy.
Yeah, shani any na level.
Okay. Now dey.
So afraid one say mun chance ah.
Tina ummo wie je nka afi but match ni wie. Obe say na be da we say.
Wolves, me say enyumewi. Yan she was krenye 2.
Why ja yenyo dey?
Oh nya me dey. Na wo wan je na ye dey.
Nya me yenyo dey. Say my mama be nanga say you be so lose. You be so bon mot. Masa papa. Yeah, man be nanga.
Ye kwaji league anyway.
We can just be league. Oh na wo say, won't you say Chelsea forecast so many title contenders. There is no Chelsea fan that told you the kwaji league. Obi anka sancho. Say ya na say what starting so dem throw eka hon is there there oh yeah who say ye gina o consider that me pie no bi ka je say see there o boss who gina no kon wan say there throw cry ade ka kire no for try throw cry sabata na say there or say udi it is there you who say bi abezo de
undi mi share Bournemouth ozo kwa Premier League
obi anga so be
di agromo
ye nkan jo say be league da o na wo ho mo bo won je hwe da mutu man 1990 Musa United say ya Everton no akobo draw say you know about draw you be ada no say we are china ba na for aka say but china say Champions League on bobi so you can't talk so munya nuru ho
unless say bia ye ntimi anche
muni Wolves no
ye she dia ye first
we say 2
oh yeah
we say 2
at least
2 say bet my 4-5 what do striker na Zegzina senior Zegzina
Zegzi oni bo change our Pedro.
E ka waje adwuma we ye. E ka Zegzi ni bo change ka waje adwuma we.
Na go fi mu striker no ho, dem ko fa an free ayi wo no. Ba ko bi no, ayi akoya. Obobo anu hurihuri, mu striker ayi. Delap o so wa wen.
Wana.
Delap. Oh.
Why dey?
Oda so Chelsea.
Na Zegzi ye adwuma.
Jao Pedro da so.
Zegzi da so ye adwuma.
Yeah, team winning impulse buying.
Hey, Richardo.
Maso. Masa papa.
By the way, how to do when you
Nentutu many biani. You ever started season? Oh, your Pedro Neto. Yakofa Ganato class had never come.
More goals combined than Zegzi.
And what I say?
You're the winning.
What I winning?
You're the fifth. Who number? You so kasa. Who dia kasi yeba statistics
masa 1050 yen start show ni da dia wo kire no utimu nya de gitum ade ba kwa me mpo ho
oh boy yeah better than you sana better
we better than you
ade da ho so say we
basa
na de we so ba betwe ho dare
me ntwe dare bia better na we ne de yen
league ni kire
wait me anche Bournemouth
and that's
struggling you can say least landed or shall 3 who do on so o chime bien na de jeme bien na de jeme
who bet you about struggling teams actually who bet struggling teams the team and nobody sees you be struggling or show every team
Everton in the boy no Everton is not struggling unless they be you know a Premier League no follow
on struggling or you
Everton be na struggle
on struggling or West Ham
and you won na account yen start to show no Saturday who gina high o so mbo she Bournemouth
man ka sada
Kofi
which you see ntro na best the kahon no wa hwe ni ya man ka sada
we analysis no one can say game where Chelsea will win.
No, I never said Chelsea will win. I didn't say that. When you're very conscious of my words than you. When I want to and also be show one show Madrid is two. You use your words. You will not be careful of those words. Adichia, whoever just say coffee and I didn't cry and then you say, "We know how and you're fine." Say, I told you we only want to say,
"Me who strategy." Over that time, no corner. Yes, keep Chelsea discussion.
No, but Chelsea.
But I'm a cousin show. When you say 1 minute, we are Chelsea discussion.
I'll talk about it.
And I
want to talk about it. I want to talk about it.
And then maybe I'm a catcher music channel. What to you want to have a few? Anti tournament in so strategy is say, oh yeah, no my time now so. Now skip Chelsea in community never. You see a cut 30 seconds we discuss the Chelsea game.
Mr. Team analysis.
What's that do?
You see, this is what you do. Mr. Team analysis maybe Juma. And I woke up for Chelsea Man United as buy.
So to me, I never mentioned Chelsea in our convo.
And I didn't make a show. Because was saying, I told you what is it. And I go for I was a brand new cocoa ball draw. I'm saying ball draw near the game. More match in it. So think about yourself. That is what you always do.
Kafrasem can have some young guy.
And then Kafrasem. No matter say I tell you there. Maybe I say the minute here for the deep cover career period. Which and then do in Italian yeah. Interesting.
Yeah.
For the very first time, Luciano Spalletti and Antonio Conte met. If you didn't get to watch the match yesterday, who had the feel of why Italian football is too emotional. Luciano Spalletti was coming to the Maradona for the very first time since he left the club. And it was against no mean coach than Antonio Conte. On a night, it was a very, very important one because Antonio wanted to reinstate himself and let Neapolitans understand, say, oh no, and he had the main figure when it comes to the club, and he got a job done. They won the game by 2-1 and 2 solid goals performances from our brand here friend of Rasmus Højlund. I mean, another clear-cut example, say Manchester United, a badly run club. He left the club, went to Naples, and is delivering on an important sense. And now, me too commentators, no more the Erling Haaland air compare, no more the Rasmus Højlund air compare Erling Haaland. I'm saying, now, that is exactly what a good club does for you. No toxicity, just pure calmness and focus on your job. No? I know, and I had my branch here, friend Rasmus Højlund. This weekend, Napoli were able to win. Rich, Barca are top of the Spanish La Liga. But for the very first time in a couple of weeks, and yet just by a point or 2 points, this time 4 whooping points in a Barca Spanish La Liga. So. Did you expect that Madrid will lose away? Because for Barca Betis, I knew that like Atuja, it will happen.
Yeah.
But Rich, just before we go to the Madrid match, Hansi Flick has gotten the best out of Ferran Torres. I hope he's able to continue. Because he only out and out striker. On Sheda winger. But all the times where Barca have needed goals, in the absence of the first names, Ferran has stood up. And he has delivered in terms of the goals, the assist, and over the weekend. A hat trick in some match, and he was super. The goals, you could tell clearly say he's developing a striker's instincts. And in 16 games, our branch friend Ferran Torres actually 11 goals. Of course, the maestro Pedri Gonzalez was right there and also dictated the pace of the game. I loved every bit of the game. And Rich, the attention turned to Madrid because Madrid, since they played in our last few matches, as at match day 15 last season, any match day 15 compared between Barca and Madrid, which Madrid lose 2-0. Almost share against Athletic Club the week before. 1-1 draw against Girona. 2-2 draw against Elche. And 0-0 against Real Vallecano. Whilst Barcelona in the league, they have been very, very consistent. And Madrid for the performances have been wishy-washy. What I saw in the first half in Madrid game is Madrid are struggling to break down teams. And Celta Vigo played like that. Compact without the ball. Very, very physical. Reduce Madrid's space is now usually in Combinano. And make sure say Madrid the comfortability to create chances and then score. And it was in there. And we stay in the game as long as possible and then of course saw Sa Omugo across the round of play. Now the big conversation is that Rich, after all of this, Madrid had 2 red cards and an injury to Abrante Fredo, Eda Militao. So centre back Eda Militao is injured. Abrante friend Alvaro Carreras over the weekend will not play. Abrante friend Fran Garcia again doesn't look like he's going to play. And then again, Militao out of it. It's Marco Asensio, sorry. And you do Bobi Ohon. Rich, Madrid are in a bad place.
I don't know, say, who observe the amusement who be there. Players, you know, as one person but Bama coach, you know.
Oh, I don't think it's one person but Bama. I think that they are just struggling to break down a team. Because
under Carlo Ancelotti,
yeah.
One thing I'm hearing say na the front three of Madrid no more pressing now.
Yeah.
No more tackle.
Yeah.
But they say so when the Real Madrid team as I'm relaxing I'm too much.
Oh, I don't think so. In fact, to be very honest, when I watched the game, the boys were trying, but you can tell say Omunye good enough. They have not worked hard enough in terms of breaking down low blocks. And for me, it's a similar Madrid team to what Carlo Ancelotti did last season. Now Carlo Ancelotti lead the table at some point around 12 points, 7 points thereabouts. And Abasa fan. It is the inconsistencies in my opinion. That's what the problem is. Madrid, for one to say on the night, Richardo Fiifi was a big question to them. Rich, I don't agree with Alvaro Carreras' red card. You see, I've said this thing and I'll say it again. UEFA has to find a way to also control the referees. Rich, many referees want to say, player no disagree, then yellow card. Or some yellow card. It is too much. Coaching.
Game, an emotional game.
Maybe a woman for yellow card, red card, yellow card. I say referee.
Imagine be Kobasa.
Yellow card.
Or be a referee or a complaint yellow card.
Yellow card. Rich, Xabi Alonso would have to turn things around. And can you imagine Madrid for next game against Manchester City? Very hugely important for them to turn things around. Rich, in the English Premier League table, I told you on Saturday.
Yeah.
Say, sometimes in this job, intuition is very important. And when you're able to listen to your intuition, it leads you to certain places. I had a strong feeling that if there was ever going to be a match, you see, near Saturday doesn't mean that Arsenal, now my sister against Arsenal in the League. No. I don't trust Manchester City to win, to close this gap. Me, I don't. Whatever happens, I know City will drop points. Arsenal at some point were going to drop points. And it was always going to be at the Villa Park against Unai Emery. And that's happened. But then, what a performance from our brand friend Emi Buendia to get that win for team friend Arsenal. It was very, very important. And Rich, I think it was a good climax for our brand friend Unai Emery. It was a win that Unya, you will feel happy, you will feel fulfilled. Say, Nyema Nkuyi against Arsenal. But when his team turned it around, this season, you have about 4 games. Now, Omunya single win crowd Hodom. They turned it around in their recent games. The Man City Tinefi, Jumano against team friend Sunderland, and then this one. Sobeka last week, after the Leeds United game, I told you that I had a feeling that Nelson Kenzo Maresca won a starting 11 strong one against Leeds. Because it was going to be very difficult for Chelsea to play against Bournemouth. In the last 5 games, Chelsea have not lost against Bournemouth. But still, the Chelsea in Bournemouth match looks very, very difficult. But it was so clear on Saturday and Numino that even after the game, it felt like a loss. Although Chelsea got 1 point, it felt like a loss. I think that Chelsea, one of the things I kept on saying is that it's a young team. There are going to be times where they are going to be inconsistent, and that is the mark of a young team. So for me, I'm not surprised. The positives from the game, the performance of our brand friend Wesley Fofana. I think that currently, in terms of dual winning centre backs in the game, he's very important at Chelsea, and that's why Enzo Maresca empese obe wasting time be now Brantiano Eprepra. I wasn't too excited about our brand friend Cole Palmer when he came on. He looked a little bit rusty, and I think that he will need some time.
That's why he's slow.
Yeah, why he's slow. I can't only match fitness now. He will need some time to be able to step up and play the football match as well, and also. Which now himself Liam Delap is going to be out for another 6 to 8 weeks.
Nenzano.
Somebody shoulder dislocation.
Yeah.
So be out for 6 to 8 weeks. Liam has not scored too many goals. But no Crane say, Rich, the way a team is confident pressing Chelsea without Levi Cole. And Liam is important. Senebo Betino Robert Sanchez have ball long. No, Ajia Tonobosu to move the team on the pitch. Magi buy and Obet try kaka. But of course, Liam Delap will be hugely missed from Chelsea. I don't know. if Chelsea will start thinking of bringing in a branch friend Emmanuel Emega or not. But then again, I think that was a very, very good one for Abrantia, your friend Robert Sanchez on the night. Another clean sheet for him. Maresca said that is what he wants to focus on. The defensive solidity, the clean sheet, and the boys to be able to build on from there. Rich, now to the most trendy conversation in the world of football in the last weekend. Leeds now almost 3 games. 1 against Man City at Etihad. 2, the first one against Chelsea at Elland Road. And the other one, Liverpool also at Elland Road. Rich, Daniel Farke has managed to get 4 points out of a possible 9 when playing against Man City, Chelsea, and Liverpool. They deserve a lot of credit. You can talk of Tanaka and all of those boys for team and friend in Leeds United. But Rich, Liverpool will also continue again. In the second half, Yabba and Hugo Ekitike turns it around, scored the first goal. Then, Abrantia friend Domenico Szoboszlai comes back. Hugo Ekitike scores the second one. Then, in the game, Ibrahima Konate does this. Wolf Noto. And we're taking players on 1-2. And we'll call byliners. I don't know for what reason. Then Ibrahima Konate goes down. Penalty. 2-1. 68 minutes. Intensity no was show. 2-1. Now, Wolf Noto, I'm going far ball, at least one go far ball and reach 2-1. At that moment, I knew that was going to be hard. Because Rich, the intensity at Elland Road, the way the fans were pumping, they were believing so much in your team and friend Liverpool. I knew Sebe had Yamom.
So there's no momentum. I be doing side.
I release one side. Yeah. And Rich, these are some of the problems of share. Ibrahima could not form now deeply too much. It's bad though. I don't know if he's focusing too much on things outside of Liverpool. But the form they play is too bad. And he's costing the team much more than he's supposed to do. Which we go on into the game 2-2 in the game. Abrantia, your friend Dominic Calvin-Lewin, and then later on Tanaka makes it 3-3. You go match here. Which I did not believe what I was hearing. Say me who say go first started also Mohamed Salah. I go cancel. I didn't believe. In fact, I put Selena. That video did you share from the original interview? No, I was still pinching myself saying no, me want to watch here.
Okay, Zemo.
You see, when you listen to Mohamed Salah, it's clear of Obioye pained in some Hano.
I'm frustrated.
Yeah, he's frustrated. And it's also clear of somebody who is disappointed in Liverpool for him. And that's why he's saying the things that he's saying. Which, in the context of Liverpool, you can never write that footballing story without Mohamed Salah. Even in the English Premier League. He is part of the greats. Whether you like it or not, the numbers are clear.
Liverpool for Omujidi, and they understand.
Yeah.
And Ominium.
Yeah.
But I would the perform and not just say why BBM team Nintino. Still not use you.
What they are saying is that even after Salah they perform a mobile Kodigapo, and Omuni say enye Salah kwa Kodigapo so they perform. Ibrahima Konate they perform. Virgil van Dijk they perform. So why are those people not benched 3 times in a row and their most important player is being benched? That is the people who are against Asema Club Nekan. But you see, my own take of the issue is this. Rich, Mohamed Salah has every right to rant. Yeah. To me, Obia or a modern day Liverpool fan will forget the roots that the club has been built on. Liverpool has never been built on individual players, no matter how great you are. That doesn't mean you will not respect Mohamed Salah. But Rich, at Liverpool, it is always the club first. And why do I say it's the club first? The medium in which Mohamed Salah expressing a displeasure, for me, that's where the big problem is. Going to public with it. If Mohamed Salah deserves respect, then the club also deserves respect to discuss issues like this in private, not in public. Rich, who can Mohamed Salah? Yeah, you're one of the best. But again, the club feels like, or the coach feels like, Sisi baby a club dijano. Maybe also Sani Omakakra. Maybe Kodigapo is giving him something else than the branch friend Mohamed Salah Edemano. So hence, he has to bring in another player. And for me, that is where the problem has been for Brantia, your friend Mohamed Salah. Rich, if you go back to Liverpool's history, Ian Paisley, Kenny Dalglish, what's his name? All of these Liverpool players, Liverpool former managers, as far as even back as Jurgen Klopp, which it has always been the club first. Always, it has been the club first. I think that baby in some corner and a slot will always win. We will win in the sense that next or the Mohamed Salah back to the team number 3 goals. Or no one starting your results because an slot wants results. Again, if Liverpool decide to move on from Mohamed Salah, then he will get a team to work with. But I think Zerich, I don't see Mohamed Salah playing for Liverpool after the AFCON.
After the AFCON, okay.
I think it ends it for our brand friend Mohamed Salah. Oh, hold on.
Okay. Fiifi Manfred na Martin in Kanin Shawanzo